Installing the Agent Manager. The Passport Agent Manager is available on Linux and macOS platforms. When you're in the Passport UI on the Agent Manager's page, you would click Add Manager to pull up the Add Manager installation instructions. Here we can see instructions on how to install for our supported platforms. We have Linux and we have macOS. Today we're going to be installing on Linux Ubuntu instance. So step one is to download and install the Agent Manager. We have an installation script right here that will get the Agent Manager installed on your Linux host. And you can also go to the releases page to view the latest release and version. But for now, we're going to install the 2.5 version, which is the latest. So we're going to click and copy this command, and then we're going to go over to our Linux instance and paste that in. We're going to download and install. Next up, we're going to be registering the Agent Manager to the Passport account, and then we're going to restart it and then view its status so we can make sure it's been installed and registered successfully. So first thing is to navigate to Passport Agent Manager registration tokens so we can retrieve our valid registration token secret. So we're going to do that in a moment. Optional, we can add tags to identify this Agent Manager in your environment, or we can add environment variables as tags as well. So easiest way to go about this is to copy this command down below, which is going to put in a command to register, restart, and then view its status. So let's grab this command. We're going to paste this in the terminal first. And here where it says registration token secret, we're just going to replace that with the actual secret that we're about to get from the account. So like the instructions say, let's go to Passport Agent Management Registration Tokens, which is over here in the menu. We're going to create a token because we don't have one created already. Let's go and create a token. All right, so at this point, this token secret is only displayed momentarily. So we can copy this, and you'll need to store this in the secrets repo. So you can use this for future installations, or you can create another one if you would like. So we're going to take that secret, and we're going to come over here to our terminal and replace this placeholder. Here. And then we're going to click enter, and then we're going to run. So the first thing that happens is the Agent Manager is going to look through your local machine, and it's going to look for supported collection agent types. And the way it does that is it looks for the path of where that agent type is usually installed. So, for example, we can look at the hotel collector, which I have installed on that instance, and Agent Manager saying it's found. Another important piece here is the last line, which says registration complete. And then at the bottom, we have a status output. We're active and we're running, so we're all good. Next, let's go back to the Passport UI. We're going to go back to that Agent Manager screen, and we're going to give it a minute. And there's our Agent Manager. You can view this either through the hex or the grid view. And below You can see the supported collection agents. We have our Sarconis unified agent that was detected, a FluentBit instance, Hotel Collector, and also Telegraph that was all installed on that Linux host that's now being managed by the agent manager. If during this process you come across issues or you need additional instructions, you can visit our docs portal at docs.sarconis.com and click on Passport at the top. And for Agent Manager, we have more detailed instructions along with uninstalling, managing additional collection agents, and also troubleshooting section.